This is the Soundcore P20i wireless earbuds. I ordered these wireless earbuds so I could watch videos and listen to music on my tablet while working out. What I really appreciate about these earbuds is that it has 10 hours playtime so I can continue listening to music after my workout as I go about my day. Let's go ahead and open it up so we can take a closer look and then connect it. Here we have the quick start guide with instructions on how to pair and charge the earbuds, as well as some pictures describing the touch controls. It also looks like these earbuds can be used to pick up calls, which is great, especially if you're on the go. Here's the USB charging cable, and this one is a USB-C cable, and this is the case that houses the earbuds. Oh, and here's a tiny little bag that likely has some spare silicone earbud tips. These will likely come in handy as it seems I'm always losing mine while in transit. Let's open up the charging case. As expected, we have the left earbuds and then the right earbuds currently cradled in the charging slots. Each earbud has two pins that need to line up to the pins in the charging case slots. And the great thing is there's only one right way to insert each of the earbuds, so there's no risk of mixing up the left and right earbuds. And when you place the earbuds in their respective charging slots, they're magnetized to the slots too, so that's also convenient. Let's go ahead and plug this in and charge it up. And here's the LED indicator. The flashing green means it's charging. And for every 10 minutes of charge time, you get 2 hours of use, which is amazing. Let's go ahead and connect the Bluetooth on my tablet. As soon as I turn on the Bluetooth on my tablet, it immediately recognizes the earbuds in the available devices list. So I'll select Soundcore P20i and then I'll go ahead and pair it. And look at that, these earbuds came charged with 90% battery remaining. I went ahead to test the sound quality, and for watching videos and listening to music, I would say the sound comes through 100% crystal clear. And they're also very comfortable in my ear and never fall out even when I'm running on the treadmill.